Vitamins for women of color by women of color. U.S. made, gluten-free and vegan. Also aids in vitamin D deficiencies, iron, and cholesterol issues. The once a day vitamin helps boost your immune system, improves your energy levels as well. The vitamin D strengthens your bones, muscles, and energy levels as well. The recommended dosage of the vitamin D is 2000 IU. For the hair, skin, and nails, it claims to give you fuller hair, glowing skin, and stronger nails. Black Girl Collagen promotes younger looking skin, filled with fine lines and wrinkles, and helps with your joint movement. Channel. My name is Miss Tam-Marie. I do thank you for tuning in today. This is a part of my health reset series. So I did pick up the Black Girl vitamins. I like the packaging. Don't you love a good packaging? I did pick up a sample of 3. I have the once a day vitamin. I have the hair, skin, and nails. I also pick up the D3 vitamins. And I have the collagen peptide. What I can say, what I like about the product so far, I have been on it for a month. I did feel a burst of energy when I started taking them, but I did feel a little crash, which was not bad. What I like about the vitamins is that they are gummy vitamins. You can buy them sugar-free. I'm not sure if everything comes in sugar-free, but I know I got the D3 in sugar-free. The once-a-day tablet, the once-a-day gummies, They were not as bad. They're not too sweet, which was a plus. The only thing that I didn't like so far is the hair, skin, and nails. They were very sweet. I didn't like that because I'm not too much of a sugar rush fan. So that was the only thing that I dislike about this. As far as the collagen peptides, I've seen a lot of reviews after the fact, after I purchased it, and when I did open, I show you how it was in the package right here. But I do like the I want to say I do like what it's doing as far as the collagen in my skin. And I insert a picture to see how the elasticity of my skin is so far. And I have been using this for a month. What I don't like about it is that you get this big bulky container and it's not even full to the top. That is the minus that I don't like. That is one of the things that I don't like. It's not full to the top. You get in this container. This is the container right here. This size. And you're getting about half. You're not getting a full container. You're not getting a full container. This is me after a month. And you're not getting a full container. That is the only plus. That is the only thing that I don't like. If I'm going to pay and you're going to send me a container this size, I expect to be filled at least almost to this part right here. And it ain't got to be filled up all the way here, but it can be filled up to here in the inside. That's what I'm saying. But other than that, would I purchase this again? Yes, I will. What I don't like about the collagen peptides is that they say you can mix it with anything, your smoothies, your drinks, and everything. What I've noticed, this is my personal preference, what I noticed, it does work well in smoothies. It does work well with warm items. I put it in my tea, which is good. When I put it in a cold drink, like if I'm drinking some juice, some cranberry juice or something like that, it gives me an aftertaste. That is the only bad thing when drinking with something that is already cold. It gives you that little aftertaste. But other than that, I love it. Would I be purchasing this again? I sure will. I'll purchase this by itself. For as paying what I paid for the vitamins, would I purchase those again? I don't think so. Me at my age, I am 52. I can go to the store and get some Geritol. I can order me some Geritols and have more energy than what I have with the vitamins. And I do understand they are crafted for us, but at the same time, the vitamins is not worth my money. The D3 I will get because I have vitiligo. So the D3, I will purchase that again as well. Before as the hair, skin, and nails, that's a no. And then once a day, I can get some other vitamins for the price that I pay for these for a month supply, where I can get vitamins off the shelf that may last me 2 to 3 months, give or take. But other than that, I do love the product. This is my favorite. The collagen. This is my favorite. But if you have tried the Black Girl Vitamin Collection or tried the collagen by itself, let me know what you think about it in the description box below. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about it. Have you tried it? What was your likes? What was your dislikes? And leave me a comment below. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and get notified when I upload a new video. And I do thank you for watching.